Hello guys! In this video I am going to show you how to set the theme in the Zello application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the little button on the top of the page on the left. Then click on the settings button. And then click on the themes button. And here you can change the theme from dark to light, or you can change it back. I will leave it on the dark mode. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.